What's pretty Crusher here, where today I'm back with another video, and today is my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. So, let's close that up. Alright, so, yeah, today is my birthday, and I have to wait until the afternoon to open up my gifts. But it's fine. I have lots, I don't know, but yesterday I was sick. Now I'm feeling better. Wait a minute. That's good, because then in the afternoon, I can eat my sub from Subway last night. Yeah. And also to have lots of hockey. Yeah. Right now I'm alone. Alone. In a home. Well, so yeah. So later today, you guys should go check out the other video, but, I'm gonna be doing a video. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Anyways, it's not gaming and all that, but it's fine. Right when I finish everything, I'm gonna do a video and unbox some things. So yeah, that's a little thing that I'm telling you. If you guys didn't know that today's my birthday, you can guys go check out the other video. And yeah. So yeah. See you later. Bye.